जी नहीं ये ठीक है सर ये 41 तक जा सकता है ये आज का नहीं ये ऊपर है
Muted.
हाँ लेकिन अभी बहुत केयरफुल रहना है क्योंकि स्विच रहना ऊपर ही अगर 9:30 पे डिप आएगा आज 2 बजे मिनट्स दिया है ना यूजुअली गोल्ड मार्केट्स के अगेंस्ट जाता है ना तो ये सब कुछ इकट्ठा जा रहा है तो स्टील या ठीक है
क्या हाल चाल क्या और सर गोल्ड
लगा भी दिया,
है?
टीवी लगा भी दिया।
हाँ जी, कल कल रात लगा दिया था।
कब लगाया
कल
कल?
कल
अच्छा, मैंने कहा तो वो तो आप लेके आएंगे फिर
नहीं
लगाएंगे।
नहीं, वो कल रात ही ले आया था।
अच्छा, अच्छा छोटा दिया, छोटा किया है।
वो लगा दी सीपी और ये ब्लूमबर्ग।
भी लगा दिया।
हाँ हाँ, वो क्योंकि काम खत्म करें जो भी है।
मैंने कहा शायद कल लगाएंगे आप, क्योंकि वो लेके आने थे ना, जल्दी रात में अंदर ही लगाते हैं।
नहीं नहीं, कल ही सारा काम खत्म कर दी। गोल्ड देखा है सर?
हाँ गोल्ड तो भाई फिर है। मुझे मैं सुबह मैसेज देखा है, मैंने कहा 71 था। ओए ओए।
लेकिन हमारे एरिया पूरा टच किया है, टच करके आया है पूरा एरिया। हाँ, एरिया तो डन। कल का एक्सट्रीम आया था ना, टच करके है। आज बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है।
कौन से एरिया पे पहुंचा है? कंप्यूटर तो मैं खोल दे ना ना शाम को, बस सुबह उठ के नंबर देख लेता हूँ। फिर मैंने चेक किया तो 71 पे चला गया है।
71 जगह ठीक है, इनफ है, ठीक है। एक डिवाइस रह गई थी, वो भी लिया।
ये क्या है?
एक डिवाइस में कह रहा रह गया, वो भी लिया।
अच्छा,
टिकटॉक पे भी जाते हैं आप। कुछ रह ना जाए। 13 स्क्रीनें चल रही।
टैबलेट आप कर लेके आए थे।
हाँ हाँ, तो
उस पे क्या वो किस लिए?
टिकटॉक के लिए।
हैं?
टिकटॉक टिकटॉक
टिकटॉक, टिकटॉक लाइव,
हाँ,
लाइव टिकटॉक।
लाइव जाते थे।
अच्छा, उसका भी चैनल बनाया हुआ है।
हाँ, क्वेश्चन सिर्फ ये है लगाना। That's a good question.
ये मेरा ख्याल है इस साइड पे लगा दे, वो तो जगह नहीं होगी, इस साइड पे जगह है। एक तो लैपटॉप है वो, चलो आपको नजर आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे जगह है। ये तो आ गया, ये इसी करनी नहीं है। हाँ ठीक है, तो ऐसे ये पूरा आइडिया होना चाहिए।
हाँ, लेकिन वो या फिर मैं यहाँ
ओ अच्छा,
क्योंकि
नीचे ऊंची है।
क्योंकि यहाँ वो बेस कम बनती है, एटलीस्ट यहाँ जगह
जगह
नहीं कहीं जाएगा। छोटी सा लैप टैबलेट ही है।
ये टाइट हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा।
नहीं,
वैसे यहाँ पक्का लग जाएगा, लेकिन ये ठीक है,
हाँ,
ये पक्का हो
ये
गया।
कहीं नहीं जा रहा।
ठीक है, इतना वजन भी नहीं है ना उसका।
हाँ हाँ, वो सिर्फ टैबलेट ही है। अब सिर्फ जो हाँ, इसको देखना है क्या मैंने।
ठीक है, उसी तरह मुंह फिर ऐसे ऐसे
इसको ट्विस्ट इस तरह करना है।
किसी को आपको देख भी नहीं सकेगा। मैं आ गया।
हैं? हाँ, सही। मेरा ख्याल है यही रह गई थी कसर। अब खुश। हाँ,
हुआ
नहीं, ये मैक्स है। नहीं नहीं, इसको खोल।
अच्छा लंबाई इतनी है।
अच्छा, फिर इसका तरीका हो रहा है। इसको
हाँ।
यहाँ लॉक करते हैं ना। हाँ, अब लॉक कर दें।
ठीक है,
हाँ, कर दें।
ये कैमरा इस तरफ है।
हाँ
ठीक है?
नहीं, हाँ, हमने फ्रंट वाला यूज किया।
हाँ
ठीक है, अब सिर्फ इसको हम ट्विस्ट कर देंगे, बहुत ज्यादा
सही है, ये
करीब
और पीछे करना है यार, इसको ऐसे करके इधर कैमरा ऑन करके देख लें।
नहीं, वो तो ठीक है।
बैलेंस के नहीं।
अगर हम इसको एक सेकंड देखिएगा, मैं चाह रहा हूँ इसको जरा ना इसी तरह डबल ट्विस्ट कर दें, ऐसे, और फिर दोबारा ऊपर जाए।
ऐसे तो नहीं होगा, तो ये मुंह नहीं घूमेगा ना।
क्योंकि ये मैक्सिमम है, इससे ऊपर जाना नहीं है।
उसी तरह
चलो, थोड़ा था ना मुझे
पीछे, तो फिर ये नहीं घूमेगा, ये फिर ऊपर ही करके ना ऐसे ये होगा बस। अब आपको इस तरह चाहिए तो वो, हाँ ये हो रहा है ना, ये जगह है इसमें, मतलब अगर आपने ऊपर करना है ये ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हैं तो। हाँ ये जहाँ पे आपने करना है, ये बेशक सीधा रहे, आप देखें।
चेहरे पे आ गया थोड़ा, ठीक है ठीक है।
इससे आप भी मंगा सकते हैं ऊपर नीचे करके।
अच्छा, बिल्कुल मुंह पे आ
हाँ
गया।
तो स्कूटर भी ले आए हैं पुलिस वाला,
देखते
मोटरसाइकिल।
हैं देखते हैं।
ये कहाँ से गया, घर से लाए हैं?
हैं?
ये
हाँ हाँ, मेरे पास डेकोर है ना।
अच्छा। हाँ, है। 2483 दोनों बिलो पीपी हैं।
बताओ जी,
गुड मॉर्निंग भाईजान।
मेरे रूम को तो महंगा ही कर दिया।
नहीं सर,
टीवी नहीं तो
आपकी जरूरत,
टीवी ढूंढ रहा हूँ, मैं रिमोट कहाँ किया?
आपकी जरूरत ही नहीं
हाँ।
उसकी। हम हर चीज उठा लाए हैं क्योंकि वहाँ यूटिलाइज ही नहीं हो रहा, ये तो वैसे डेड पड़ा था।
वो इतना बड़ा टीवी था,
हाँ हाँ,
वो समझ नहीं आ रहा था, रूम बड़ा है ना।
गोल्ड को क्या हुआ है? गोल्ड अच्छा,
कहाँ जा रहा है? क्यों मनी भाई, क्या प्रमोशन हेड ऑफिस में
हाँ।
है? क्या बात कर रहे हैं? अच्छा तो फिर क्या बात कर रहे हैं? ये नहीं चलता भाई, जरूरी नहीं। तो वहां पे कौन है? वहां पे ठीक है, अच्छा आज से
ठीक है।
बहुत ज्यादा ही जूम ऑन हो।
हम लोग यहाँ पे बहुत बड़े हम लोग बॉर्ड बना रहे हैं।
बॉर्ड
नहीं
बना,
पता क्या बंद कर, किसी को कुछ नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है। लाइट ऑन कर दो, ठीक है।
कल मैं इंशाल्लाह
सेकंड से ना, अरे मुझे 1 घंटा लग गया आज,
ट्रैफिक में।
15 मिनट का
हाँ
रास्ता
हाँ,
है।
चले।
1 घंटा लग गया। ट्रैफिक है ना, तेरे लिए इजी है, तो सीधा है थे एग्लिंटन खड़े सीधा काम पे है। इसलिए यार शुरू करता हूँ रब जलील के बाबरकत नाम से, जो दिलों के हाल बेहतर जानता है। देखती आंखों सुनते कानों, आपको माजिद राफी भाई और
नहीं नहीं, अभी लाइव शुरू करते हैं, फिर आप दोबारा करवाते हैं।
हर धर्म का बंदा का मसला नहीं। Okay. So let's see. ये कभी टाइम पे नहीं आई,
MGC
क्लास देते हैं उसकी। फिर काम
How do I connect the internet? Location बड़ी odd है. Sorry guys, still setting up some stuff. All this, how we do this. You know, लगता है चेहरे पे आ गई. My red mics. हाँ. Dual, ये एक, दो mics. हाँ जी. बहुत ही सर पे चढ़ा हुआ है यार. है नहीं, मैं आपका कैमरा सिर्फ टेस्ट कर लूँ. हाँ, आपका कैमरा ठीक आ रहा है. मैं ज़रा 30 सेकंड दे दें. All right, good morning, everybody. Wednesday, October 8th, 9:18 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online. Today, in my little trading office, we are grateful and honored to have Mr. Majid along with us. Now we have a couple of guys who are going to be, at least Mr. Abbas, myself, and Mr. Majid, as you can see him live on his screen, are doing the live streams and be setting up quite a bit of when we're talking together. You guys can see us, hear us, and together we'll do a bit of 3 people are doing live analysis within that one room. So anyway, let's get started today. Very, very important. So before anything I say here is not financial advice, just for informational, educational, entertainment purposes only. I know my camera is too close for TikTok, but it's okay. something new that I'm trying to do on TikTok as well. Where are markets? Anything I say here is not financial advice. Let's look at the markets. What is important today is speeches. After speeches, 9:30, 10, 10:30. And then you have FOMC minutes. That is the 2 o'clock market will truly move. We have some new records. Today, the new record is gold. Gold is making another higher high ever. So let's take a look at my areas. Areas are updated, and let's see dailies, NASDAQ highs and lows. Today, base is, give me a second.
This is down pressure.
Base is down, pressure is down, so things should start to go down. And okay, strike price now becomes 24,980, like yesterday. So let's fill in some values. Night session high for us is night session high.
76.
Sorry, मैं NASDAQ कर रहा था.
Okay.
Sorry, आप ES कर लीजिएगा. So 25,111, 25,111. Night session low 25,026. So the whole night the movement has been $85 only. So kind of R1 got touched, and it came very close to pivot and came down. So pivot was 115. Price came down from, so high to go low is the plan, and we'll see how things go. So what is the new record? The new record is gold is all-time high now. Gold has a new number, 4072. So this is going to maybe another record high of, so gold is at 4072. I was planning to sell some golds, which I hold some, but it's okay. I'll keep holding. All right, so I'll hand over to Mr. Majid to go over the rest of the things he does with ES, and you can, I'll put the cameras towards him.
All right, good morning, everyone. So for ES, night session high is at 67.76, and low we are at 6759. Market most probably is going to open above PP, so we have chance. It's gonna break night session high, make a new high, and then we make our plan to sell from there. So if I have to sell, it's going to be from R1 area, which is 67.64 or 67.87 in this range. And of course, if you're like S1 is already done, so I'm not gonna take my trade from. If I have to buy, I'm not gonna buy from there. So I would say base and pressure is down, so look for sell. Your trend should be in sell. If you see your trends in sell, you sell on your bigger time frame. That's right.
So you can still message Mr. Majid on his number if you need to message here. And
Five 806-776 is my number, guys. If you have any question, please message me here. Thank you. Exactly at 9:29, we will decide our night session high. It might break too. So far, we are at 67.76. R1 is going to be very strong resistance. So yes, we have one chance from there to sell. Good morning, Majid sir. Good morning, Ji Kareem bhai. How are you?
so U.S. government is shut down still, and so let's see what happens to FOMC today. So, Avas bhai, kya plan hai ji? वैस भाई अभी
That's why.
नहीं कर लें अपना क्या प्लान है
एक्सपेक्टेड हाई गोल्ड
एक्सपेक्टेड हाई का वेट कर रहे हैं जी गोल्ड का देयर यू गो
एक्सपेक्टेड हाई 4100
4100 पे करेंगे जी और कुछ नहीं करना हमारा जो आज का लेवल्स हैं
4100.
Yeah, I woke up when the alert came for gold, and trust me, it was so much fun to trade there because our levels hit 100%. Extreme high of last night 68 पे आया और जो हमने कहा था वहीं से बाउंस हुआ बिल्कुल to that. अब हम जा रहे हैं अगला 41. So Daniel's brief is
Of PP guys. So the first attempt will be she's going to try to break that night session high area, but she's already at night session high. So most probably is going to make a new high, and then you have your range from there, night session high and low. So exactly at 9:29, we'll decide. 9:29.
और भाई आपका नंबर क्या है जी 519
519. 519-806-7766. You're welcome. You're welcome, Ji. Thank you so much.
I know this too near my camera is just at my head. It's crazy. So gold is at 63.
You guys, so this is Chile. This is everybody. And we need the passport now on.
Miss Tulip has moved to here.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar. Sat Sri Akal. Hello, guys. Game show. Microphone check. If you can hear me, guys, microphone check. Vikesh, good morning. Vikesh, good morning. Vikas, Tamur, good morning. Tariq, good morning. Vikram ji, Shaji, good morning. Mohsen, Naveed, good morning. Sanil ji, Majid, Rizwan, Manpreet ji, good morning. Manish, Jagdeep ji, Amrit, good morning. Everybody, good morning ji. Quick review of our disclaimer, guys. All material and posting on our web service or on our training floor not attended as trading advice. The adjustment to enhance your trading decisions, but not make it for you. And we take no responsibility at all for any action taken by any subscriber. And we take no responsibility for any action taken by any subscriber. And always place your stops and always ready to accept those losses and do what you see. Don't do what you think. And treat this market the very first day you treat in all the areas we have on our SuperAreas.com or on our graphs. But not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas or any type of financial advice. These are just for information and educational purposes only, and we take no responsibility for any action taken by any subscriber. Today, our S&P 500 retracement of 55.5 points. Yesterday, S2 slightly a little bit below S2, retraced back up 52%, 29.25 points to the upside, sitting at PP. The whole night market was trying to break the PP, and right now it's just trying to test our night session. Actually, just right now, to test our night session high. At Magenta midband, base is down, pressure is down, NASDAQ is below NASDAQ. Just if you see around 4 to 5 o'clock, went slightly below PP, tried to test the PP, but even didn't touch the PP and bounced back down. Yesterday, 290 points, 0.25, pushed to the downside, retraced back up almost 100, I would say 115 to 16, 17 points to the upside. In between, we have a tiny retracement and extension. That's not correct. We'll take our retracement from 984.75, 95, won't take more. And our retracement is 112, somewhere 111, 112. I'm not going to take in between. So that is the NASDAQ retracement right now below PP. Very, very important day today, FOMC minutes. We're not going to get any big move or big surprise before 2 o'clock, but we have so many speeches are going on. But overall today, high to go low. So our high for S&P 500, 68.10 to 68.20. Our low for S&P 67.27 to 67.15. NASDAQ, our high is 25,280 to 25,350. NASDAQ low is 24,870 to 800. Best is keep eye on striking price. Keep eye on striking price. And much of striking price did not change. Only one market striking price change is our Russell 2000. Striking price goes up 2,508. The best is stay on the low side. These short rallies would be a good strategy today. But overall, if you see 9:30, we have right now FOMC member speech at 10 o'clock FOMC member speech. Then 1:15, 2 o'clock FOMC minute, then 3:15, and then 5:45. Whole day is FOMC minutes. FOMC member speeches and FOMC minute. Only 10:30 we have crude oil inventories, and look like inventories will be less. That's why crude oil is going up. If you still look at the crude oil, it's already bounced back up. Dow 307 points out of 437 points, 70.3%. And Russell 2000 45.1 and went up 47%. It's nice retracements, a retracement and extension to the downside, and this is what I'm expecting on our S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell 2000. If you remember, British pound, all our British session, at open went up, retraced a little bit, and right now it's in the value area at PP, British pound. Not doing much. Yesterday went to our expected low for the day. 100% hit our expected low and bounced back up around 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock to 12 it went up, and after 1 o'clock it started bouncing back down. Great yesterday low in diversion, so British pound is in diversion. Same thing with the euro yesterday. Went to our expected low, break our expected low, went down, and right now below PP in the value, below value area and below PP right now. Canadian dollar went up. Canadian dollar bounced back up. It was a diversion. Yesterday it went up after 12 o'clock. It came down. And this morning, 3 o'clock, it started bouncing back up. Went to our expected high for the day. So 72 cents, our expected high. You see how beautifully it hit expected high and just shoot to the downside. Almost 20% push to the downside, but still pushing down in between R2 and R1. But our expected high is done for our Canadian dollar. Crude oil yesterday went down $1.32, hit our expected low for the day. From expected low, who can imagine in one day it went up $2.09 from our expected low. Actually, it went to our expected high yesterday. If you remember our expected high, so yesterday expected low went to our expected high, and from expected high R1 it bounced back down. Right now above PP, and just retracement of the $2 plus push to the upside. And then our FDX expected high for the day. So almost hit our expected high for the day and paused at expected high for the day. Gold went up. If you look at the gold at our, yes, if you remember yesterday, our extreme area, it just paused at our yesterday extreme area. So I'm expecting somewhere 4,100 to the upside for gold. Right now, if you see, the gold is retracing back down. So if it's coming down, it should hit our expected low for the day today. So gold, I don't know when somebody called me and asked me when gold will go down. I'm wondering why you sell gold. Gold is only one strategy. Yes, people make money, but you don't know when gold will go down. Gold will give you a higher low, then lower high on your 240 chart. If you don't get a lower high and black candle to the downside on 240, the gold is not going to go down. This is a very bad pattern for our gold. So we have to be very careful. Right now, gold is at our one area, very close to our expected high for the day. So expected high is not far. The way gold is moving, $108.60. That's a humongous push to the upside in one day. Now you can expect anything. Even I'm expecting more than that for gold. And copper went up. If you remember, yesterday copper went to our expected high for the day. So $5.14 and 65. Retrace back down 75%. Breakout yesterday high. So today, right now, it's at 15 cents, $5.15.60, and bounce back down. So we are in a diversion on copper to the downside. And yeah, we'll see maybe push to the downside on our copper. But right now at AP area, silver went down. 100% silver hit our expected low for the day. If you remember 20, 47, 15, it went to 47, almost 0.015, and bounce back up $1.85. Amazing push, $1.85 push to the upside. It means 8,000 plus push to the upside. Only one lot in our silver. And right now at R1, natural gas creates a diversion this morning. Yesterday, natural gas went to our expected high for the day. If you remember, somewhere 50 cent, $3.50, $3.55, 60, and bounce back down. Break this morning, 55, $3.55 area, and shoot to the downside. Why? Because it went to our yesterday high area. As soon as it breaks that high, so we were in diversion, so came down 12 cents. That's a big push to the downside. Bitcoin yesterday hit our expected low for the day. If you remember, our expected low was somewhere below 22,600, 654. I believe that was our expected low. And from expected low, bounce back up 2,585, and right now at PP Magenta midband and Bitcoin, that was a nice push to the downside, because when it breaks our higher high ever, remember, once it breaks our higher high ever, the first day after the higher high is a retracement to the downside. Same thing with our Ethereum. Ethereum went up yesterday almost 4,800. So 4,800, actually it hit 4,800, bounced back down $362 extreme low for our yesterday for Ethereum, and bounced back up at 99%. That is 27% push to the upside. Not much. Base is down, pressure is down, and Bitcoin also, base was up, pressure is down. Bitcoin right now, it was above PP, now it came below a pivot area. Somewhere I'm expecting 20,000 for Bitcoin to come down. And because nobody's buying at high, so that's why these markets has to come down, especially these two big cryptos should come down and give us a good chance to bounce back up. Gold and Bitcoin, these are two markets. Whenever they drop, you can go up on these. All other markets, right? So try to stay low. If you look at the Dow, if you look at the Russell 2000 and S&P are pushing down. Only one market that is going up is our NQ at R1 area. Russell, S&P, Dow are sent today. NASDAQ is going up. It means either NASDAQ will take these three markets to the upside, or these three markets will take NASDAQ to the downside. Here you go, NASDAQ 100. 100% hit our R1 area. Guys, again, one more time reminder of our Junaid session. So October 25, 26, Saturday, Sunday, mentor session. You can call Rafay to book your seat, and that is a very informational session for 2 days. If you have any question, guys, you can call me or you can text me. I will be here.
There you go, guys.
So exactly, yes, did what she touches the night session high, and then she's going to try to test night session low area. So stay in sell from top. So R1, yes, R1 is valid because it's going to be the first time for ES. So we are looking at like my number, I would say 67, 87. Just save sell from there for a few points. Over to Rafay.
No, it's together effort, sir. Just setting up my gold strategy. So 4,100 is on what I'm planning to sell it. This is too much in my face, this TikTok cam.
Now you see how I feel?
No. At least your camera is forward. This one is just... So I'm taking R3, by the way. I know R2 is done, but for NASDAQ, I was waiting for slightly R3. If it breaks 270, around 250 was my area, but didn't go there because my whole focus was gold. It just kind of got crazy. So just even now, the gold moves are ridiculous at the moment. Gold should go down to 39.90, at least 4,000, because that's where the green boxes are. NASDAQ R1 is officially done. And ES, is it done? Not yet. ES went to PP.
I was going to ask you, right? What's happening? Like NASDAQ is going up and ES
Yeah, they're not synced right now. Look. Because problem is your Dow is very good. That's why Dow they can. क्या हाल है जी? Welcome back, Bhajan.
कैसे सर ठीक है?
See, problem is Dow has gone to S1. Russell is S1, and things are just not synced at all with these markets.
Exactly, right.
Gold has its own problem. Is U.S. markets are shut down, right? So there's no sense of understanding of where things are, right?
So guys, if you're doing ES, right, so you know how to get your range every morning at 9:29. You have to know your night session highs and lows. That is your range. So if you have any plans to buy and sell, do it from night session high or low area. So it already touches the night session high. She's gonna go try to reach night session low area. So if I have to buy, it's gonna be from that area. Like Dennis has said, high to go low, this means stay in sell. Any trend you see on your bigger time frame is magenta, sell. 16 takes stop loss and 4 takes your profit. There you go.
NASDAQ R1 is done officially. NASDAQ officially R1 is done. R1 is done. Gee, I'm waiting for NASDAQ to get to it. No, not R2, sorry. R1 is done. NASDAQ R1 is done. I've never, ever seen gold move this crazy, this fast within a day, man. Pagal nahi hogi dukaan mein.
So what do you think, like, next buy will be from where? What areas?
Buy?
Mhm.
I'll tell you that I'm planning to buy long term if the price hits 3,600.
3,600.
3,600. If
Long
price,
way to
this
go.
is for long way to go. वहां करेंगे जी अभी नहीं Right now, अभी तो एक micro में gold ही इतना दे ही जा रहा है move. Even you sell 1 micro, you're profitable. I shorted FTMO something, I think. No, not yet. No.
Relax, guys. It's okay.
Yeah, if you miss, don't worry about it. It's okay. So 2 o'clock is the most important day today, 2 o'clock. Because of FOMC minutes, they're going to talk about interest rate. You know, they're truly, I'm taking, what is up, later, R2 later. So above slightly above than R2. That's my plan. 250 is, I know 197 is okay too, but I'm picking up 250. Why? 60-minute upper band. So this is my game plan for today. So it's slight, if it pushes up like a rocket, I want to make sure that I take at least the upper band of 60 minutes. So that's what my NASDAQ is. For ES, you can ask directly to, because again, now we have two, like 2-in-1 streams, me and Majid Bhai together. So you guys can really, because I was not focused so much on ES, to just send them a question and तो विषय भाई मेरा वेट ना किया करेंगे मैंने रुकना है तो आपने बोलना है बस चलते हुए
519-806-7766 is my
चलते
number. If you
चलते
have any question, concern, please, you can message me there. Thank you. 519-806-7766.
we have 3 cameras that we're cycling through. I'll try to get a picture-in-picture with myself and Majid Bhai into the charts too. The purpose of these charts that's on your screen is just to kind of get a reconciliation. You can say, hey, my charts are okay. Is the price is still 10 seconds below, but so R2 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर ले रहा हूँ जी मैं पूरा लॉट लूंगा 1.5 लाख का अकाउंट है 4500 थ्रेशहोल्ड है अभी
R2 की किसी भी range में I would say it's going to be safe.
yes
Because
And-
it's going to
and-
be the first attempt and
first attempt.
you know, and that's the only trade we take against our trend, guys. Like at least for ES and all other markets, this is how we do it. Other than that, you just stick to your trend. Green to buy, red to sell. Stay within your trend, guys, please.
Gold is a pivot again. See, gold is up how much? $45 plus 70.
Good job.
No, sorry, ES is at pivot. Gold is not at pivot. Gold is trying to come inside. Gold pivot is 4,000 almost, 4013. NASDAQ has broken R1. ले गया जी एक S1 पे और एक R1 पे जी. There you go. Gold from high done. There you go.
You guys, if the market is now reaching the areas, stay in your trend. Do small trades. Mid-band background green, you buy. Mid-band background magenta, you sell. On the bigger time frame, or take mid-band trade from your smaller time frame, 1510. Both charts are bullish. You take your trade from mid-band, 1510 smaller time frame.
TikTok kind of. Right now it's doing, NASDAQ is trying to break R1.
NASDAQ का जो previous week था वो R2 ही है.
Okay.
at 60 minutes. Since the price is memory, so definitely. I think 25,200. I think is better.
किस चीज का?
NASDAQ
नैस्डैक का मैं पर्सनली ले रहा हूँ 240 245।
240, right?
हाँ, थोड़ा सा ना R2 के स्लाइटली ऊपर,
You're right.
क्योंकि वहां 60 मिनट का अपर बैंड बैठा हुआ है, तो मैं उधर जो है ना
हाँ,
245 नैस्डैक का मैं मेरी पर्सनल।
Still on 350.
आप अभी 350 पे बैठे हैं, फिर अगले महीने बाद ट्रेड आ जाएगा आपका। अगले महीने बाद वेस्ट बाई का ट्रेड। तो कल आए थे ना, कह रहे थे ना कि मेरे 115 ट्रेड हो गए एक दिन में। तो अवैस भाई कहते हैं मैं एक साल में 115 ट्रेड डालता हूँ। So,
even for ES, is 6,800 is the area where you sell.
ES definitely 67 88 is my number.
Yeah.
Value area का जो ऊपर है ना,
हाँ,
तो थोड़ा सा R1 के ऊपर मैं पर्सनली अगर देखूं तो रिफाइन करते हुए ना,
हाँ,
तो R1 के जो ऊपर का जो रेंज है ना,
yes.
67 88।
क्योंकि first attempt है ना,
आप फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट है तो होना चाहिए इसको।
value area 6787.
अभी सिर्फ गोल्ड को थोड़ी रिट्रेस चाहिए, क्योंकि 630 मिनट में फिबोनाची बॉक्सेस बने हुए हैं गोल्ड में। New order sell symbol XADU USD 0.5. Let's do a sell. Gold pulled back up. Let's see. 58.
आज hard time है.
है जी?
आज hard time है.
क्यों?
देखना पड़ेगा.
The gold is back to 30-minute upper band, 58. So from 47, I went to 58.
You want to track silver?
Sorry, I don't track silver. To be honest, it's way too many markets for me. I not in. Guys, 30-20, gold is in a bit of a divergence. Let's see. I apparently those who do gold, they do silver automatically,
Right.
but not for me. मैं तो NASDAQ के दिन वेट कर रहा हूँ, R1 के अपर एरिया में है।
2 points done. Very good, G. Good job. Just stay in your trend. इसी तरह 2 पॉइंट लेके आप बाहर आ जाए. Ahmad bhai, good job. Thank you. Wait कर जाया करें.
Today we'll see the big market move 2 o'clock because of the FOMC, right? So NASDAQ R1 तो तोड़ गई है
65.
25,170.
So, as bhai, what's the plan? क्या plan है?
Stay on gold.
Gold?
Stay on expected high today.
Expected high से sell कर लें?
Yeah, expected high around 300 to 350 NASDAQ.
Hmm.
Gold is, what is the number? 4100. Stay on expected high.
So 4100 you say, right?
41 gold. 41 and gold. And NASDAQ is 300. 300 is best, but best is 350.
4100 expected high के पास ही है ना?
हाँ expected है हमारा expected high है
4100.
upper
Your analysis said that.
he's going 41 I same
Right. Okay.
because I can look at how many people are sitting at that value. Let me double check on my order book. So cgc.cme
NASDAQ is 170. Russell is not going up. Dow is not going up. NASDAQ and S&P is going up.
Yeah. NASDAQ and S&P is going up, right? So
काफी order बैठे हैं 41.
Stay on expected high.
my guys are done with 2 points.
Good. I know ES 2 points slightly easier compared to.
So guys, every turn if you take like 4 ticks, you're done. Small trades कर लिया करें, फिर area का wait कर जाएं. But I would say if you're done with $100-$150 a day, I mean, this is more than enough. Don't give that money back to market, please. So, Daniel, he mentioned about Bitcoin today.
Yeah, all-time high.
Down.
Should, but 2 o'clock time will tell.
Okay.
To be honest, 2 o'clock. So we are hitting very close to R2. Wait. Remember, 197 is yesterday's, I believe. What's the number? If you were going to take a bit of a R2, 197 is a good number because this is from October 5th. High, 197, last week's high. Today's high is 180. Pushing up. We're very close to our area.
Sorry, Rachna ji, I don't know what आप ये जानना चाहती हैं कि R1 ES का कहाँ है? Yes, R1 जी हमारा है starting from 6784. You're right, to 6787. Yes, exactly. इसी तरह ही. So यहाँ से इधर इस रेंज में आप सेल कर सकते हैं. लेकिन आज है ही हमारा सेलिंग का ही दिन है, हाई टू गो लो. तो जो भी आपको सेलिंग का सेटअप मिलता है, ठीक है, आप वहां पे अपना जैसे बिगर टाइम फ्रेम पे आप 4 टिक्स ले सकते हैं. उधर से आपने याद करवा दी जी. बिल्कुल सैम भाई, तारिक अजीज जी का मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, इसीलिए अपने दिन की इब्तिदा उन्हीं के इन 2 लाइनों से शुरू करता हूँ. शुरू करता हूँ उसके नाम से जो दिलों के हाल बेहतर जानता है. देखती आंखों सुनते कानों आपको माजिद का, राफे का, अवैस का प्यार भरा सलाम, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब एंड अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. ले साहब भाई, खुश हैं आप? किसने रिक्वेस्ट की थी? देखिए, सुबह की आवाज हमेशा अच्छे लफ्जों में करनी चाहिए. जो भी आपके भगवान हैं, गॉड हैं, उनके नाम से लेकर करें. अच्छा दिन गुजरे आपका. बिल्कुल स्टे पॉजिटिव एंड डिसिप्लिन सेम टाइम.
Yes, that's the key.
That's the key. And do what you see. Don't do what you think.
10 o'clock candle just opened, half an hour candle. Let's see which way it wants to go down or go up. 183 so far, the high of the day. Oh, look at the news.
Oh my God. That's why, huh? NQ
NQ, our R2 is done.
NQ daily booking point.
ठीक.
Lekin there's still like 25 to 45 you said right before.
No, I'm not going before 245.
Yeah. There you go. Area's done. Guys.
Area is done. R2, 10 points done. Whoever took R,
5 points.
very nice.
So this
Got
is
$100. Good. R2 is done from 197.
Yeah.
That was previous high. If you took 197, you're done. $25,200. It touched. So now wait for higher. Let it go high now. The next, done 95. That's good. 197. Whoever entered last week high, they're done 5 points. And now we wait. Let's see. Upper range. Gold is up to 62.
you guys always enter with stop loss, please. It's must. Stop loss is must. Okay. 6784. 6784. जी सर S1 का इस रेंज में आप but don't jump in without your stop, please.
So R1 is coming for ES.
Like I said, like every morning, like I always say one thing, like if the market is between S1 and R1, I try to stay away from it. For me, the safest areas are R2 expected high, S2 expected low. Any market that you're doing. Either wait for these area or do your trend trades.
There we go. So everybody who's sending me done. Wait now, wait for 250 at least. 245, 250 is wait. And wait for ES 88, 89 value area. NASDAQ has a.
He is done, G.
Yeah. ES area 84 से तो done हो गया.
Woohoo! Very good. Done at 4 ticks. Good job, buddy. Good job, G. बस सर यही है. Eagle eyes होनी चाहिए. Right time पे आपने entry लेनी है. Good job. और ये 4 ticks का profit रखें. ठीक है ना? Every candle यार कितनी candles आ रही है, you know? It's right in front of you. Proud of you guys.
Let's see if it gives us a retrace though. The morning retrace. Because intraday target R1. Gold is up $56 so far. 71 is the all-time high. Let's see. NASDAQ wants to break R2 now. Let's see. R2 done. 25 to 11. R2 done, G, which
It's okay, Virendra जी, don't worry. आप खुश रहें, बस हमारी दुआएं आपके लिए. इसी तरह करते जाएं और अपने पे आउट निकालें. मैं कोई ट्रीट लेकर आऊंगा, यूर सेवियर. हाय सर, आपका अपना ऑफिस है, you're welcome anytime. Is this normal?
yeah, it's blinking.
Blinking, right?
Normal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because this one is not, right? So this
Okay.
one is-
ठीक है.
It's okay, right?
Let's see.
So yes, guys, wait for the areas. In between, you can do your little small trades in your trend. R1 is done. Took 1 point here. Now we're looking at course for ES R2 or your trend trades.
So let's see if it pulls down from upper range of 60-minute mid-band got pulled up, but 245 is my next.
Good job, buddy.
$245. Let's see, 215 wants to go to 247. 245 should give us something. Good. Green, 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 green. ES is almost at our value area, just saying. ES is very close to our filled up the value area, so ES went from 73 to 86. There he goes, touched the ES, touched our value area, 87. Upper range. NASDAQ truly wants to go test upper band of. So if you took a couple of points from value area, you're done, 67.87. Okay, let's good. All right. So value area trades are done for ES, 100%. $222. So now it's going to break the value area, maybe. Let's see. So a couple of points from the value area. $88.75. Now it should start to pull down. There you go. NASDAQ touched another high. NASDAQ up 274 points. Gold up, NASDAQ up, ES up. Mr. Avas is waiting for 350. He wants to go in from 350. He's going to sell from 350. So one market is above R1, one market is above R2.
Wow.
वैल्यू एरिया पे couple of points मिले थे, but NASDAQ is not stopping. Remember, 274 is our all-time high. So maybe it'll end 6800, 6808, 6802 is our all-time high.
For those who's doing ES, I'm sure that you took advantage of this trend trade here. Beautiful done. Nicely. Now I need a feedback from you guys. How many people are done here? Gold. It depends. If you're doing funded account, right? I would say 20 ticks stop loss and 5 ticks your profit. And also you can stay in your trend and do this. Yes, somebody asked me this question, so I was
Gold got to newer levels, 66, the swing back up from 47 to 66. And NASDAQ is slowly pulling down.
The last part is too quiet.
He's waiting for 4,100. Oh.
So Rafay, why would you say 4,100 for that?
Expected high, all-time high, lots of orders sitting there.
Right.
Confirmation with our expected high upper range. So
Okay.
that's, I think, should be good sell to get like few dollars from gold out of it.
And then again, don't jump in without your stop loss, right?
Yes, always.
Remember that.
And know your lot sizes, know everything before you take any trades.
True.
If you're funded, yeah, go crazy. But if you're, round one is okay. Round two, no.
Yeah.
Next thing you know, you're blowing your account. So see, price is not coming, doing a retrace from what's the lowest, 980. All markets, no retrace.
Yes, guys, कुछ भी हो, fear खत्म करें trade लेने का, you have to do this, right?
Yes.
Once you see a trend, don't ask, just jump in.
Come on, pull up to 245.
Almost there.
Upper band of 60-minute is moved up slightly because of the push. It's gone to 264, but let's see.
So what I see there, right, our system pivot is there as 245. Is that what you're saying?
No, 245 is R1, and upper band is now gone to 265, but R1 is there. Gold 3020 is a SRES. Let's see if it comes down.
So Happy is only doing on Zoom right now?
Only on Zoom. I think he's got some camera issues.
Okay.
Okay, lunch is breakfast is done, lunch is done.
Dinner is
The dinner is pending for gold.
Gold 4100. सारे वहीं बैठ गए
मैं 100 से ले रहा हूँ सर।
नहीं 4100 ना
हाँ, oh yes.
वो सारे वहीं बैठे
वही बैठे
वहीं बैठे
हम ही-
हमारे साथ वैस भाई बैठे हैं तो मैं फिर गोल्ड की क्या स्ट्रेस
अब डिनर हो गया ना फिर मजा आ
Yes.
जाता है।
टू 231 से आया जी थोड़ा सा चलती है गोल्ड पहाड़ी से उतर ही नहीं रहा पहाड़ी के ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ है बिल्कुल 30 मिनट के अपर बैंड पे है और 60 मिनट्स के अपर बैंड से भी पहाड़ी पे चढ़ा हुआ gold. Let's see if we have a retrace on. Coffee pull down, but not enough. Yes. Pulled back from 231, kind of a little bit close. 245 तक गया नहीं दगा दे गया
Two monthly down PP, Dow and Russell.
डाउन रसल पीपी है इधर आते हैं जी आपने इधर भेज दिया हम इधर चले जाते हैं
NASDAQ and S&P above PP.
तो दोनों को पीपीपी आ जाना चाहिए टेक्निकली तो आ जाना चाहिए तो नैस्डैक को भी आना चाहिए 115 तक और पहले तो R1 खड़ी है 115 का आना उसने
Russell is stopping, it should go down, and NASDAQ is already break it, everything. S&P is
NASDAQ
already break it, everything.
एक दफा फिर वो लिक्विडिटी क्रिएट करके जो है ना जा रही है शायद
Should go up.
रेफरेंस जमा ही गए
अच्छा
200 बन भी गए
और असल में फुल एनक्यू से जाता है ना वो तो चीता इंसान है नैस्डैक का SCSRE is building on R1. Gold went back up 63. Let's see.
Stay unexpected, hey. This game.
$71 तोड़ देना गोल्ड तो कुछ पता लगे ऑल टाइम हाई देखिए so gold is up 60 plus so 5 more almost $65 gold is up. NASDAQ is now hovering in R2, ES is in R1. NASDAQ goes up, ES goes up too. Another mid-band. If you took a mid-band, you're done. हर मार्केट एक दूसरे से रेस लगा रही है कि कहाँ पर तुम बैठे हो और कहाँ पर 2 बजे
गोल्ड वो भी कहाँ जा रहा है?
हाँ हाँ वो हर मार्केट एक दूसरे से अच्छी रेस लग रही है
कंफर्मेशन नहीं है ना
मीनिंग $70 की मूव एक दिन में दैट्स अमेजिंग यार
इसी को कहते हैं ना पैनिक है पैनिक you see non-farm climate change they change the date that's not in this week इस week को नहीं है non-farm climate change वो भी change होगी आगे कर दिया उन्होंने
हाँ आगे कर दी ना वो क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट शट
last week भी किया है last week this week किया था उससे फिर आगे ये पैनिक है उसको कहते हैं पैनिक मत की क्या करेंगे
फिर दोबारा जा रही है जी 183 तक आई 210 से फिर वापस जा रही है गोल्ड नहीं रुक रहा जी 66-71 पे जाके देखते हैं what happens if it goes to 70 so $108 move gold in a day in one day October 7th from 39.63 to 4071
Oh, 905-206-10. And you can and you can write it down there.
come on उतराओ Like if you took ES mid-band, you have told this, it just goes up again 90.
beautiful midnight trade
क्या जबरदस्त स्टॉप लॉस नहीं हिट हुआ 8.5 का होता है but it's beautiful. No, R3, before R3, it should be ultimate number for me is 350 or 300. That's the all-time high. Previous high is 274. I am just trying to see how much points I can get out of 245. Yes, if you sit at 300, 350, yes, there are points there, significant points. Next, because today is critical. If interest rate goes down, there's going to say market is going to go up. All right, 11 o'clock. Next, sorry, 10:30 candle. Let's see, which way does it want to push? Half an hour candle for gold and ES and NASDAQ, now R3. You know, it's stuck at 215, 216 over. So 274 down to 980, went back up to 220. Amazing. Every day's best markets to work with because of volatility. $92, $93. What else can you ask for? How beautiful our software is, tells you exactly when to enter, where's the stop loss, everything in between.
Even though, right, for all those who are doing the funded accounts, right? Because since they only have 1,500, right?
Yes,
So stick
yes.
to the plan, right?
Stick
Go with
to-
stop loss and just follow your trend. Like, it's so easy. And guys, if your threshold is 1,500, do micros,
NPA, yes.
Yeah. please. I think आपको दोबारा से पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट करने पड़ेंगे, right?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Can we take 67, 97 area? Let me just check.
नहीं, पर R2 के ऊपर ही बैठ गया जाके.
First attempt किसी भी area पे, yes, you can take that for 1 point only. लेकिन इसमें pressure ऊपर क्या है, this is like, तो क्योंकि since आपने देखा कि R1 और R2 में इतना ज़्यादा distance नहीं है. It's a very small gap, right? From 86 to 97. 10 points का है. ऐसी situation में आप expected high को कर सकते हैं. अगर इसमें तकरीबन 20 पॉइंट का डिफरेंस होता, I would say yes, go for it, definitely, for sure. लेकिन इस वक्त मेरे ख्याल से expected high safe area रहेगा आप लोगों के लिए.
ES in divergence, which yeah, I'd say 30-20 is in divergence. Yes, after a gap trade on 1510, 3 candle rejection.
Yeah. No problem, Indraji. Happy Jumai Mefil. In for next. Hello. How can I help you? Sorry? Tulip. Okay. So he's here for your session. You want to come talk to him? Take off your mic. Okay, she's coming. Have a seat, please.
Hi, how are you? Okay, so
Mid-band kind of missed by a point.
I have a class. We were all but they have some.
ES का another mid-band काम किया सर.
नहीं वो एक टिक से रह गया, ऑलमोस्ट एक पॉइंट से रह गया.
It's the same like.
I'm not an indicator-based trader. I'm looking for support and resistance levels. We predict everything every day since 2008. Now we know we'll sell gold from 4,100, and that's it. And NASDAQ from 5,300, and so support and resistance, not indicators. If gold breaks 71, you'll be in 30, at least 60-minute divergence. Already there is a divergence on 60-minute, but let's see. See, NASDAQ is in R2, trying to break R2. It's having a hard time. 2 o'clock, a lot of actions will begin. Now it's 10:45. Maybe it's a bit of a reversal begins.
Make 150. Showing plus 51. So it has to cover the pivot.
Just got a message from a friend saying 25,110, there's 900 orders placed there.
Yes. Yeah, that's a 25 that's our pivot, right?
Okay.
So pivot point 25,115. It should, but really depends on 2 o'clock. A lot of stuff will happen around 2.
Yes, Vijay bhai, definitely, but 2 baje ka wait ho raha hai. So let's see how things gonna be.
Yeah, because of FOMC minutes, things could kind of become a little easier.
And thank you so much for that.
Question is when, because from now to मूवमेंट टूट गई है गोल्ड अब फंस गया बेचारा मैं ऊपर जाऊं नीचे जाऊं 60 मिनट से ऊपर है 240 से ऊपर है गोल्ड
Yeah, we don't have any option. We have only option to both sell. We cannot buy because it can jump down right away in 1 second. We can only sell high price.
See, nobody wants to buy. I know people are buying gold, but it's physical gold versus digital gold is different, right? Voices echo on TikTok. Okay, no problem. I'll figure something out. See, maybe pulling down slowly, not slowly, but surely. It pulls down to around 197, goes back up. Same thing. Another mid-band for ES, those who took a mid-band trade for scalping. You're done. Your points from 87, you went long. Price came from higher high. It's above R1. You entered at 87. You're done your couple of points. 11 o'clock, maybe a reversal, but let's see. See, gold is stuck in that $5 move, $6 move now. So it's in consolidation. So 2 is 4. Sorry? Happy is at key. ठीक जा रहा है. Very good. Sorry? R1 mid-band, good. There you go. See, gold is stuck $10 up and down. Went up $9, came down $7, went up $6, came down $6. So pure consolidation, trying to figure out which way do I want to go. Should it be down, but you never know, right? Always mid-band work. Previous mid-band too. Like look at the previous beautiful mid-band. 8.25, just missed the stop loss by a tick and just shot back up like almost $10 move. So it works. Now 197, previous week's high, has become like automatically. NASDAQ goes up, ES just follows. We teach, yes, we have our areas. We have, if you know, it's a comprehensive program. Just go on SuperAreas.com and read about it, and you'll find out how we do it. Give you an idea what exactly is it that we do, and then you may find it interesting or not. It's completely up to you. See again, bottom range of 193. See 240 candle. Another 13 minutes to go before the next candle. So all this NQ, yeah, NQs can consolidate, but our areas are done. If you took R2, you're done. If you took a couple of mid bands, you're done for scalping trade. See gold, I'm waiting for 4,100. Honey? Oh, yeah, go for it and start analyzing.
मैं एनालिसिस करते रहते हैं बोर्ड पे सिखा सकते
हाँ, no, सिर्फ analyze ही करें.
हैं
Or basic candles on the board, no problem. See, that mid-band still hasn't broken. For those who take a mid-band trade, until that goes to 8.5, that stop loss is not valid. I mean, see, NASDAQ wants to come down from R2, but when? Question is when. So it went as low as 985, as high as 229. That ES mid-band is still valid. What's my entry in gold? I am planning for 4,100. I'm done the night trade of gold, but a couple of micros I'm short from 55. Let's see, because that was the magic band number. Gold may break 72 now. Let's see. Waiting for 4,100. 67. Finally, see $6 up, $6 down, $6 up. It's in consolidation as well. Everything is done. So markets are all-time high. You are consolidation within gold as well. 9, 7, 6, 6, 6. Look, exactly $6 move within gold of consolidation. So went up 9, came down 7, went up 6, came down 6, went up 6. Let's see. Which direction does it want to go? Trying to clear a couple of bull knocks as fast. So problem. Look, everybody's scared to buy, but it's okay. I'm not buying any gold at all. It is outside of the, the gold move on a daily chart has gone to $720. So what are you gonna do? Almost 718. From 33.53 August, September, October. 3 months, 2 months, $720. It's outside of the 240-minute chart. It is outside of the 60-minute chart. It is outside of the 30-minute chart. So as you are told, just don't short, but just don't do craziness, please. In terms of Nobody's asking you to short, but buy with care, because it could. Why 40? It's not a psychological number. It's our computer algorithm has predicted. So we have ranges for today. And plus, lots of order book is full of those 4,100, and lots of people are sitting there. So psychological number two, it's a new range. So last night, our computer software predicted that if gold goes to 68 to 75, sell. And if you did, you made your money, right? So that's from last night. Now computer this morning predicted new numbers, 4092 to 4100. So within this range, it should shoot down and give us a few points. It's just a matter of, let's see if NASDAQ pulls down a little bit. Maybe NASDAQ is coming down to get some liquidity. No problem, Jim. So our areas are so powerful that I know few markets are in new territories, especially the 3-1 I follow, NASDAQ, ES, and gold, right? And more people who predict out there, it's easier to predict if you have existing support and resistance levels. But whenever you're doing new levels, that always can be tricky. And this is where we look at how things are. And what can I give you in terms of 82? Say from 190 to 180. So came from where? 230 to 180, 50-point move, but nothing much in NASDAQ because of the gold wants to go to break 72. 72. Well, not much left. 67 to $5 left. Then it will make another 60-minute divergence. But let's see. $78. See again, $6 up, $3 down, 666. Fun will begin 2 o'clock. NQ half an hour candle has come down, 1 hour candle has come down, ES is pulling down. NQ half an hour candle is at least should go down to 174. because the previous half an hour candle is lower. So it has broken it. Now let's see if it breaks the previous half an hour candle. It is very high. There you go. It is 174 is a good support so far. It's testing it because if you look at half an hour candle, 3 candles, it is at previous open. There you go. It's pulled up, so it's not gonna go lower than 174 because last 3 candles are 1, 2, 3 half an hour candle. Testing it. Let's see. If that pulls up, of course, naturally your ES is gonna get pulled up. NASDAQ is testing 174 because the previous third candle, like the current candle, is going to close in 4 minutes. The previous candle and one. Look at your open, close, highs, and low. It's very at your open. 174 number. Trying to break it. Let's see. Very, very strong. But maybe it'll come down to 160 and test it, and then it will go in. Gold needs a direction soon. All right, previous 68, $4 to go before. See, NASDAQ is half an hour candle is being tested and perfect, pulled back up from 174 to 184. 70s, come on, break gold, 70, 71. Back to R2. Let's see if it goes and breaks first. 74 needs to break before it goes down to 60 zone. Come on, enter 72, make another divergence. All right, go 11 o'clock candle. Let's see where does he open. 72, please break. A new record almost about to happen for gold. खींच खींच के ले ही गए इतना वो ग्राइंड क्लाइम करते हैं There you go, $2 more.
Yeah, I think it's better to stay out and then
It didn't stop at
It didn't go quite to 72. वो देखे ना, वो ग्राइंड, वो रोलर कास्टर होती है ना, 1-1 इंच बढ़ती है। हाँ, वो लोगों ने एकदम जो है ना,
that's unfair.
look at 72.30. NASDAQ is pulling up now. Let's see this half an hour candle bounces within it or
कहाँ से देख रहा है वहीं से गर्मी हो या सर्दी हो गाड़ी में पता
आ रही है जी 72. Another 30-20 mid-band gold. Look.
हमारी बैटरी सारे नए वो जो ट्यूलिप आप इधर ट्यूलिप ये
How are you? अभी वो कल flight that now? Yes. Yes. Thank you.
कितनी आपको सिखाई
NASDAQ is stuck around 20.
हमारी वीडियो है Quick question. इनका निंजा ने डाउनलोड करना है सिर्फ from the website. Just do that.
हाँ जी. See, price is for NASDAQ consolidating within R2 at the moment. The moment it makes a higher high of 72, we will go in a 30-minute divergence and also another, but who cares about divergence these days? Nothing is working. And it just keeps making a newer higher high. 72. There you go. Gold has broken all records of 72. Done. Now we'll go. Now it's uphill. अब आती है थोड़ा सा रिट्रेस करके. See 72. कहा हुआ है 72 सेल करें. कहा हुआ है. कहा हुआ है सेल करें. कहा हुआ है. हम पागल हो गए हैं क्या कह के 72 पे सेल करें. Anyway, छोड़ दें अब ना करें. जो हो गया जी 72 से 66. I don't think you should be buying at 4100. अगर एरिया देख लेना और 72 डन हो गया जी. 72 जिससे सेल किया गेम ओवर हो गई जी. 72 पे ऑर्डर लगे हुए थे खत्म. और नैस्डैक कह रहा है मैं पीछे रह गया हूँ. अब वो सारी मार्केट्स की फाइट हो रही पीछे रह गए. ESP कह रहा है मैंने भी नया हाई लगाना है 7240. So everybody had a lot of sell orders at 72. 30-minute divergence, 60-minute divergence now. New high is almost 73. So if you exit at 70. Now wait now. Now wait for 4100.
बहुत अच्छी थी राइट.
72. Trade is done.
उन्होंने क्या कि
And NASDAQ is stuck inside R2. Now it should come down after a divergence to at least 4033. Let's see. 4030. That's the question. Because NASDAQ. Come on, I'm on 20 bucks. I want to make my number 650. Come on, go, 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 go. I need a point. So, greed element kicking and just need 20 bucks. So let's see this half an hour candle. It made 190 as a base and it went up from 174 previous 1 hour 30-minute candle, and now it wants to go and break. Let's see.
The number Monday. अच्छा ये जो कोड है रेफरल कोड पे लिखना है या सिर्फ नीचे
आपका कोड रेफरल कोड नीचे है ना. हाउ डिड यू हियर अबाउट अस? वहां से
हाँ नीचे नहीं जाते हाउ डिड यू हियर अबाउट इट वहां सामने ही रखना जो भी आएगा सब ही आएगा ऑल द बेस्ट थैंक ये जो कल जो आपने नंबर दिया था ना वो उसकी वाइफ आएगी
72 से शॉर्ट था मैं, 72 अब निकला 60 पे या गोल्ड में जा अब क्योंकि एक दफा वो ऑल टाइम हाई लगा है ना तो उसको टेस्ट जरूर करेगी। ठीक है, ये गोल्ड का वो कैंडल देखें कितनी नीचे आ रही है, 72 से सेल करें, इधर से जाते हुए बाय करें, 72 से सेल करें। आय हाय मजा आया ना।
ये M2 ही है अभी भी।
नहीं अभी तो 72.4 हुआ है ना, उसने प्रीवियस हाई तोड़ा है तो उस वहां पर अच्छा खासा ऑर्डर लगा हुआ था। तो ये लाइट ऑन कर पाएंगे भाई? लाइट हाँ अब देखे ना 40722.4। अब ये नंबर क्रिटिकल हो गया। अब मैं कहां से सेल करूंगा 41, क्योंकि रात का हाई इसने तोड़ा ना तो वो रेजिस्टेंस बन गई, नाइट हाई है ना, तो नाइट हाई क्या था 71, तो मैंने कहा 72 तक 72 को उसको कुछ तो देना चाहिए ना। वो देखें कितनी बड़ी कैंडल दी है उसने ऑलमोस्ट। All right, I gotta exit here too.
Okay.
Good. Yes, the level 41 cost a lot of gifting to make it. It's not something easy. Gold. 72 आपको कह दिया था यार, मैं 1 घंटे से चीख रहा था 72।
चाय ठंडी हो रहा है फिर भी आऊंगा।
फिर जा रही है वापस, अब इसको टेस्ट करेगी। इसको अब ब्रेक करना चाहिए 47 को, 47 को ब्रेक करे और सीधी 31 पे आई। ये जो 47 पिछला लो है ना 30 मिनट पे हायर लो बनाया है। अगली जो कैंडल बननी है ना गोल्ड की ES तो मैं ऊपर बैठा हूँ 68.10 पे।
अच्छा ऊपर से नीचे आया 47 पे रुक।
यस
सब बहुत खतरा है।
अब जाए तू, अब जा 72 तोड़, 75 पे जा। अब शायद वो इतनी जल्दी नीचे ना आए, तो फिर 41 ही ठीक है। आई ना आए और फिर ले जाए 1 आवर की कैंडल तो हमें ले जाए साथ। कपल ऑफ माइक्रो शॉर्ट हूँ, यहीं से कर दिया मैंने एक आध माइक्रो के, इधर देखते हैं। एक मसला होता है इसमें 50 बंदे होते हैं, एक ग्रुप है बड़ा, वो कॉपियर के बगैर करो ना तो वो मुझे ना एक में बने हुए 650, एक में थे 630, जिसको 630 को 650 करना था, ये मजे की बात, उसमें अब 720 हो गए तो अब ओरिजिनल वाला पीछे रह गया। चलो जी अब इसको करते हैं 6। I will uncheck this and I will...
बड़ा मैनेज करना मुश्किल।
नहीं वो अकाउंट स्पेशली आपके साइजेस अकाउंट के डिफरेंट हो ना। हाँ फ्यूचर्स नहीं है ये CFDs। आज मजा आएगा 2 बजे, दोनों तरफ एक्सटेंड होनी है FOMC मिनट से सर। मजा आएगा। टीवी लगा लिया जी हमने, फाइकन टीवी भी लगा लिया है, दूसरा टीवी भी लगा लिया है। आ जा गोल्ड, कुछ पैसे दे जा हमें, फिर दे जा। बाकी मार्केट तो फंस गई है। तो क्रूड ऑयल करते हैं आप? क्रूड ऑयल का क्या हाल है? नहीं किया
पोजीशन ट्रेड में वहां से निकल गई है।
पोजीशन ट्रेडिंग ठीक है जी।
60-50 के मेरा शुरू किया उसने 1440 का चार्ट देख के, वो पोजीशन ट्रेड थी ना, वो चली गया ना 63 के आसपास। वो पोजीशन ट्रेड थी ना, उस दिन मैं तो बैठा था ना, तैयार था पोजीशन ट्रेड है, ये पोजीशन ट्रेड में बाय मार दो। 1440 बेस्ट है पोजीशन ट्रेड के लिए, लेकिन पहले मूव हो बड़ी।
हाँ, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम 1440 से लोगों ने शॉर्ट किया हुआ ना गोल्ड को, डेली से शॉर्ट किया हुआ, फिर भी नहीं रुक रहा डेली।
इस पे शॉर्ट लिया हुआ ऑयल पे,
गोल्ड पे मैं ये कह रहा हूँ।
गोल्ड में गोल्ड ने दवा सही पड़ी चाहिए।
गोल्ड सांस से लेता।
नया कंप्यूटर है, उसमें एक अकाउंट क्रिएट कर दूं फिर इनका।
हाँ, ninjatrader.com।
नहीं, वो जो गूगल का, क्योंकि अभी वो अपडेट हुई है ना,
हाँ,
तो वो कह रहा साइन इन के लिए
वो नीचे स्किप हो सकता है।
नहीं,
अगर फिर साइन एक न्यू अकाउंट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पे क्रिएट कर दें। 65 back, pulled back up. It fell as low as 58, pulled back up to 65. Let's see. NASDAQ is stuck in R2. Sorry, guys, I don't have anything to say for NASDAQ. Gold, 4,100 now. Sell. That's what my plan is. You guys can. It was 71.50, then it went to 72.40. Gave us quite a few points.
ROMA SHARMA 67.
Now again consolidation, up and down, up and down. Joji, NASDAQ now. You break the 60-minute, create a divergence, go break 231. So we make some money from there. $222. $225. NASDAQ is pulling back up. Let's see if it breaks 245. ES is heading into our expected R2. So wait for 6,800. That's what my plan is. But
नहीं वो उनका आउटलुक का वो मैं उनका पासवर्ड नहीं याद आ रहा.
there you go. We are inside R2. It broke. So it's heading towards 245. $245. Let's see if it stops here. Give me a second. R1 245. 45. 5 points done from 245. Guys, 5 points done from 245. 6 points. 6 points. 6 points. The 5 points gave you from 245. Still give you more, almost 7 points. So if you're done your 5 points, you're done your 5 points, okay? It's up to you how many you want to take, but 5 points are done.
Don't know that.
आज ये पहन थी
And the badges.
Let's see.
Not bad, that's it.
You always have to have an ATM for 5 points.
Get out from the trade.
Why? Oh, get it. अच्छा
आगे
yes oh मैं क्या पता नहीं क्या है जी कि get it.
वो गाड़ी साड़ी रख लेती है.
Congratulations who took some points from 245. We're done.
पाकिस्तान ये सुना तो
You guys, almost 45 to 35. Almost 10 points, guys.
अच्छा.
मैं भी close कर दूं trade. Done.
आज कितने बनाए
आज अच्छा दिन थी. रात ठीक सी. सुबह माइक्रो से सुना करके दे गया. वो आंधी लाई है. मैं निकल कर लगा पूरे.
वो तो रात पूरे हो जाने ने मैंने पता है.
कब ये तकलीफ खत्म होगी.
So these points are mostly for scalping. The one I give you, 10 points, 5 points. Half an hour candle now begins. Let's see if gold breaks 72 now. That's the next target. But 245 trade is done. Yeah, next wait for higher than, I would take 290, 295. That's
जी
reasonable. But area trade is done 67.99.
सर वो कोड इनवैलिड आ रहा है जी वो
नहीं 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 नहीं, वो गलत डाल रही है। कोड 0101010 है। जब लिखा ना हाउ डू यू हियर फ्रॉम अस, फ्रॉम देयर लिखना है, उसमें आपने कोड डालना राइट।
हटा दो
Revenge? No, no, we'll get it. Success is the best revenge.
उल्टे पासे भी चल जाना है ना
Let's see. Now I think. So I hope all of you guys took 245 and got your 5, 10, 15. I think it gave us at least 10 points.
और किधर
ये और जरा करना क्या
हैं
फोन किया इधर भी टीवी है उधर भी टीवी
ये मेरा ऑफिस हो गया ये राफी का इधर ये ऑफिस पे
13 टीवी लगे ना, बल्कि आज 15 हो गए ना। काउंट करना, 1 2 3 4
6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13
है भी पे है ना, 2
14 15
होना देने।
वो ओ 16
टीवी शोरूम आ गए।
$100 ख्वाजा साहब, कंग्रेचुलेशन, $100।
टीवी शोरूम आ गए।
Very good. $100 from 245. That's good. Now let's wait for the new number. 295.
कुछ कंपनी में ऐड लगाए होते हैं ना, सारे सीधा कंप्यूटर पर।
यानी असल में मेरे पास अभी भी एक स्क्रीन शॉर्ट है, मैं आपको बताऊं। जो मैं अब क्या करूं, अब एक स्क्रीन पूरी शॉर्ट है, क्योंकि उसमें मैंने वो देखने हैं जो हमारे लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग हो रही है ना, डेप्थ ऑफ मार्केट।
कुछ और होता है यार,
आप हैं खाली फोन के रिथमिक से कर लेते हैं। Anyway, sorry, if you did not take, you did not take. Wait for 25,295. Next. 25,295. That's good for position trading too, by the way. FTMO is good. Position trading is good. You can hold on for it sometime. How's my Purdia? Purdia, I just shorted again from the mid band, 3 micros, so still holding.
AMD इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे
Any?
नहीं
Oh, sorry.
AMD
फंडिंग कौन सा है?
अच्छा फंडिंग क्या है
पिन बोलना एक डे ट्रेडर लाइव अकाउंट है और ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਖੋਲਾਂਗਾ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ FTMO ਉਹ ਵੀ ਖੋਲਾਂਗੇ।
ਉਹ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਾ ਖੁੱਲਦਾ
ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਨਾ,
Position trading वास्ते $450 ਦਾ।
ਉਹ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਨਾ।
So if you took, I missed my ES by a point, but it gave you guys from R2 quite some time. Even if you took 97, you're still in profit. Now we wait for next candle.
ਜਿਵੇਂ ਉਹ
Let's see if it breaks 275, the all-time high of NASDAQ. Even though, look, pressure is down, but things are looking crazy, right? That's called market. Ji Rasam wal salam alaikum. Kya hal chal hai ji? So NASDAQ, the new number that I'm giving you guys, 25,295 is my number that I'm planning to do whatever with it. 30-20 mid-band gold is okay. It has a lower high now, so maybe gold is up $60 today. That's amazing. So 2 o'clock, we're gonna have massive fireworks. Now let's see if gold wants to go and break 72 now.
ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੰਗੇ ਲਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ
ਸਾਡੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਸੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਲਾਇਆ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਬਰਾਸ਼ ਇਹ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਅੱਛਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ ਫੰਡਿੰਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ 50-100 ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਇਹਦਾ ਬੜਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਇੱਕ ਚ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ
Testing R1, R1 of pivots, the ninja pivots. Markets are gone back all-time high. This is a disaster, guys. It's disaster, like calm before the storm, right? Not normal. The gold move up to $60 buy in one day, $108 move. So, because gold is a new high, now NASDAQ is going to try to do a new high. It's like a competition between two markets. Let me fix this up. Yes, it's done, G, already. Yes, it's done. 6,800 is done. No more.
250 people live on my
Huh?
250 people live.
Yeah, keep going. Keep promoting.
ਓਕੇ ਜੀ ਵੇਸ ਭਾਈ
No problem, sir. हो गो. Convert कराइए.
ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਰ ਲਿੱਤੇ
No problem.
ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ 12 ਵਜੇ ਉੱਠਣਾ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਪਹਿਲੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕੱਢੋ ਨਾ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਉੱਡ ਜਾਣ ਖੈਰ ਹੈ
No problem. No problem. अकाउंट ना उड़न क्योंकि फिर दोबारा ये करना पैंदा है यार, वो बड़ा मसला है. ये करो फिर ये करो.
ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਜਰਾ ਸ਼ਿਫਟ ਬਣਾਤੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ
हाँ नहीं वो ठीक है, लेकिन
2 ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਰਿਸਕੀ दोनों सेफ रख दो
ठीक है, गैम्बल ना करो, बाकी ठीक है.
आई लूज किए ना और चो 2 कुंटल जो 300 कुछ डॉलर में हर वो मैं निकलना सी ना निकलना होंदा मैं पूरे कर लेना सी.
Look at beautiful SRES, lower low, lower high, higher low, went up, mid band up. Look, it is working like a symphony. Our divergence come down, make a lower low, lower high. Gap trade. Gold moves everything like our theory says. The NASDAQ wants to go now. Where does it break 245? That's the question. Where area begins at 280, I am looking at 295. 290, 295 will start taking risk there. No, gold wants to go and break 72. So morning high has been 245 now. Morning low has been for today. 12 बजे 4 बजे 8 बजे. So I'll close my trades somewhere. What time? In about 15 minutes. I'll close my. So NASDAQ morning, it went down as morning 25,055. So morning swing has been almost 200 points. Area starts to begin 280 to 3. Remember, 275 is the all-time high. And the 4x scalping trading. So your risk can begin anywhere from 280 to 350, but I will wait for upper band. Anywhere from 280 to 300 as a good shorting zone. See, today ES is up $32. NASDAQ is up almost $200. Gold is up $70. Amazing. Nobody wants to buy USD. They just want to dump to head to gold. Gold, gold, gold.
अब मैं पता क्या कर रहा हूँ अपने मील्स के साथ ना बिफोर लंच बस सारे सारे फूड बिफोर लंच ना मैं खत्म कर
NASDAQ is stuck around 245.
फ्रूट्स में अपने को सेव हो
मार्केट सांस ले रही है, थक गई है जरा। 2 बजे अगला मूव आएगी। 10 minutes to go before Europe close.
गोल्ड का कोई 25-30 साल पुराना रिकॉर्ड है।
इतना पुराना सारा कुछ ही तो 3 साल में हुआ है जो तो
गोल्ड तो कोई तो होएगा कि 25-30
हाँ,
साल
हाँ।
की हाइट नंबर पीएचडी
वो है हमारे पास। एक सेकंड।
कोई ना कोई तो इसी नंबर
हिस्टोरिक वैल्यूज गोल्ड 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 $62 अब सर 1980 में ये $300 का था। 1980 में $300 $300 का एक
हाईएस्ट नंबर हाईएस्ट कोई होगा।
हाँ नहीं
हाईएस्ट क्या था
300 एक सेकंड 1980 की बात करें मैं आपको बताता हूँ।
जैसे अभी ये 4000 के पास है।
हाँ तो 1975 में
7500
हाँ नहीं 1975 में
अच्छा अच्छा
ये $180 था
ओके ओके ओके
बस।
तो ये तो इसका कोई जिंदगी में कभी नहीं हुआ।
ये तो पहली हर चीज हम आज एवरीडे वो देखें वो सब नया पहली दफा लिख रहा हूँ। वो जो गोल्ड $4072 पे गया है ये मैंने और आपने आज पहली दफा देखा
पहली दफा ये मतलब सिर्फ पहली दफा बिफोर
जिंदगी में भी नहीं गया
में
कभी नहीं गया। इसीलिए तो कहता हूँ जो हमारे लेवल है पहले कभी आए ही नहीं किसी ने देखे ही नहीं तो कौन कैसे मैच करेगा यू नो क्योंकि हर कोई तो प्रीवियस तो मैच कर देता है नए कहाँ से निकालते हैं। All right guys, next candle 12 o'clock. Let's see if it opens below R1 of pivot or below. So right now we in a upper areas. There you go. We are heading towards a little bit more 6,800. Green to buy, red to sell. That's all. New alert has been sent to you that we are heading to expected high, 248. It has broken that. Now it's got picked up a bit of a momentum before 12 o'clock. All the orders are starting to go back in at the exchange.
Hello.
Because exchange before it closes, we are at the upper range of 6,800. We're finally, remember, 6,802 is the highest high, and NASDAQ highest high is 274. So gold versus NASDAQ versus ES. I'm not tracking other markets, just three. Because you have to understand, users only have limited capital between 15 markets. 6,800 is done. I did not take because the last time price reversed from 67.99. So 9 more minutes.
Ah.
8 more minutes and then I'll shut off my streams. Yeah, that's awesome. Every day.
Really good. It's good.
Yeah, that's good. My live stream is still on, so
I don't know.
You did good actually.
255.
Good job, buddy.
Good. Good.
मैंने भी like किए, by the way. बनी गया?
हाँ वो चलेगी.
ये बंद कर दे सर जी.
हाँ ये बंद कर दे दे मुझे उसके अंदर वापस चला जाता है ये. No bro. We'll start recording. For ES guys, for a couple of points, the team gets done. I just push it until 12 to see the candle of 12 o'clock. Because NASDAQ only have 25 points before the all-time high, and I'll update the board, and ES has $3 to go. When will the market collapse begin? I have no idea. Well, you would short, but we're not buying. That's all I'm saying. It's overextended, overbought, especially gold. So if gold buying is hit and run, because the collapse could come anytime. Just look at the 1440. There is a single retrace, zero, not a single. So 1440 chart has saying, daily chart is saying $4,000 move since August 15th. No, this is $700 move. My bad. The all-time high is 4,000. So 240 hasn't given us a retrace. Now 60 hasn't given us this swing. $108, 66. So we don't have a lower high anywhere. So why will we want us? But look, it's math is saying it's almost $88 overextended. Math is saying 4,000 is upper band. So $72 overbought. So as the price goes in that territory, the grinds begins. It's very slow because everybody panics that, hey, it could come crashing anytime. So for 4 minutes to go till Europe closes. Maybe I'll do a push up to 274. But let's see. Overextended. Everybody has their own analysis. For us, green to buy, red to sell. Small little stop loss and just keep buying. If it's green, you're buying. If it's red, you're selling. Divergence, don't take a trade. SRES, so we give you 18, like 8 or 9 methods. Everything ready made. So 3 minutes to go. Expected high? And NASDAQ? Give me a second. Wait. I'm going 295. 295. Nothing before 290. No. 280 को भी थोड़ा सा और टेस्ट होने दें. मिनट्स लीक हो गए. Don't worry. There you go. So now we are maybe looking at 7,000 for ES now. So remember, interest rate goes down, gold may start to. So 2 minutes before the Europe closes. सर सारे 2 बजे का वेट करें. Where do you get? So people should sell gold now? Well, I'm just saying, we do daily trading. We're never shorting gold. We always ask you to buy gold. But at this point, we're not buying gold. That's the only difference. We're not buying gold. So based on our software every day, right now, we gave you a number, 6072. Now, if gold gets to, for today, goes to 4,100, there could be some numbers for you to short from. So every day our software predicts which way the market could go. So 1 minute to go before market closes. Let's see, guys. No pump and dump. Did not go break. Come and see it at our office at 1575 Trinity. They do this. We show you how our system works. We're not selling a course though. All right, 12:01. New candle begins. New beginning. So 2 o'clock, just wait, guys. What is left on the table? If the price may come to 210, make a base and goes back up. Maybe R1 becomes a bit of a base, the 245 and goes back up. But 295 is my waiting for that, the newer high. Yeah, let's see if it makes, but 2 o'clock we will see some fireworks. Gold is stuck now, 4070, very high, 64. ES is up, NASDAQ is up. The ES did not break previous high. Gold so far, NASDAQ did not break previous high. Previous high is 274. Here, previous high is 6802. Interesting. And now you may have $7,000 in sight soon. We're 200 points of ES, maybe within by December. And there you go. All right, guys, enjoy. Take care. Wait for the right market price. No, I'm not coming live after 2 o'clock. I'm done. I may have a session in the evening. I'm still deciding. I'll let you guys know. Take care. So if you're done, you're done. You're not done, you're not done. Enjoy. Only areas are. Okay, ji. Take care. Okay, this is done. And